Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Naik. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 7th February. We shall recall some of the memorable events happened on this day in form of questionnaires. Friends, if you are watching this channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you can get notifications of our videos. So let's start today's session of questionnaires. Question number 1. On the order of Lord Dalhousie, the General of East India Company, which King of Awadh was deposed on this day in 1856 and its kingdom was annexed to British India under the terms of Doctrine of Lapse on the ground of internal misrule? Answer: Wajid Ali Shah. Question number 2. Which Indian revolutionary died on this day in 1942, had founded Hindustan Socialistic Republic Association to carry out armed resistance against the British Empire in India and was the mentor of Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh? Answer: Sachindranath Sanyal. Question number 3. Which Indian author born on this day in 1964 became widely known for his retelling of Indian mythological epics, starting with internationally acclaimed and best-selling 8-volume Ramayana series? Answer: Ashok Bankar. His epic India Library is an attempt to retelling all myths, legends and itihas of Indian subcontinent in one story cycle containing 70 volumes. His notable works are Ten Kings, Prince of Ayodhya, I Am Brown and crime thriller series Blood Red Sari. Question number 4. Governor of Maharashtra S.C. Jamir gave the title of Delete to which female president of India on this day in 2009? Answer: Pratibha Patil. She is the 12th president of India. She is the first female president of India from 2007 to 2012. She served as governor of Rajasthan from 2004 to 2007. Question number 5. Which Indian badminton player born on this day in 1993 was ranked as world number 1 at BWF ranking in April 2018 and awarded with Arjun Award in 2016 and Padma Shri Award in 2018? Answer: Srikanth Kidambi. He trains at Gopichand's Badminton Academy, Hyderabad. Question number 6. Which year on this day the wireless message sent from moving train was received by railway station? Answer: 1915. Question number 8. Which news agency was established on this day in 1983? Answer: Eastern News Agency. Question number 9. Who became new Shah of Jordan after death of Shah Hussein on this day in 1999? Answer: Abdullah II bin al Hussein. Here the left photo is of Shah Hussein and the right photo is of Abdullah II bin al Hussein. Question number 10. Which English writer born on this day in 1813 whose notable works are Oliver Twist, The Pickwick Papers, A Christmas Carol, David Copperfield and A Tale of Two Cities? Answer: Charles Dickens. Question number 11. Which year on this day United States, Britain and Russia discussed the final phase of World War II? Answer: 1945. Friends, thanks for viewing this video. If you like this video, then comment, share and subscribe.